Hello everyone, today I will be showing a small tutorial about how to paste a picture on a PowerPoint. This tutorial will be for children who would like to learn how to take pictures from the internet and paste them on a PowerPoint. On your computer, in my case I have Windows 10, you will go to this box and then you will type PowerPoint. In this case, I show right here the link to the PowerPoint. Then you're just gonna go ahead and click on it, and the PowerPoint it's gonna open. In my case, I already have it open right here, so I'm just gonna click on it. As you can see, I have one blank page open, and it says click Add Title. You can go ahead and let's say you want to add a picture of an elephant, and you're just gonna go ahead and type elephant, and then down here we're gonna go ahead and paste the picture. Now here's where the tutorial comes in. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna show you right here. I have the internet browser. If you have internet, if you have Internet Explorer, you can go ahead and use that. If you have Firefox, in my case I have Chrome, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. I already had some pictures, but I'm gonna show you the steps on how to get to that point. So on the Google search, you're gonna type elephant. So a lot of pictures, most of the time you'll be on this section, all, and it's gonna show you everything that the browser finds on the internet. But since we want to paste a picture, we're gonna go to images, and then a lot of images are gonna come up. So pick one, whichever you like. Let's take this small one, a baby elephant, and then you're gonna right click, and then you're going to save image as. And that's gonna take you to your folders, and you're gonna go ahead and click pictures. And that takes you onto pictures. And in my case, I have several pictures already in that folder, and that's gonna give you the option down here on the right, on the bottom right, to save that image of the elephant that you just clicked on. So that should be saved. Now you're going to go back to your PowerPoint, and then as you can see, it already shows a blinking click you already made before, and you're gonna go to insert and then picture. After you do that, you want to make sure, because sometimes it opens a different folder that you had open before. It could be documents, or it could be any other folder, but you're just gonna go to pictures where you saved your elephant, and then here it is, and you're gonna click on insert, and there's a picture of the elephant. What you can do is resize the picture. Just left click on the corner, and then you drag it down to the size that fits the PowerPoint sheet. You can move everything you want. You can resize the picture to the size that you like, and that's it. There's your picture. So in the future, remember, you're gonna need internet access, and you're gonna need to browse for the picture that you like and save as, and then save it onto your picture folder, and then go back to PowerPoint and go to insert picture, and it should open your picture document folders. You click on it, insert it to your PowerPoint, and you should have it right there. So this was a small tutorial about how to paste the picture on a PowerPoint slide for children. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, you can put a comment down below. If there's a better way to do it, I'm open to comments, and anything you want to add to it is welcome. Thank you.